Inherited an FMD file from an old FileMaker database and need to access the records? This format powered countless business applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with FileMaker Pro database files. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the FMD format and dozens of others obsolete. A user searching for .fmd is likely trying to access a database created with an older version of FileMaker Pro, version 5 or 6. Their goal is to open the database to view, edit, or extract records, tables, and layouts. This often occurs during data migration or when accessing legacy business information. The .fmd format is a proprietary binary container that stores the entire database structure, including tables, fields, relationships, layouts, and scripts. This monolithic design was common for desktop databases, simplifying file management by keeping all related components in a single self-contained file for portability and backup. You will typically find Claris FileMaker Pro developed by Claris International Inc., an Apple subsidiary, associated with FMD. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows provides no insight into field-level data, so specialized applications must read the file. Open the context menu by right-clicking your FMD file and choosing Open With. Try Claris FileMaker Pro first, as it's the standard. If it doesn't appear, choose another application and continue testing compatibility. When your FMD file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. There's no need for deep technical analysis yet. If the FMD file is stuck, the issue is almost always found in one of three places. Here's a simple guide on what to check. First, opening an older FileMaker. Install a FileMaker Pro version compatible with your FMD file vintage, typically FileMaker Pro 7 through 11. Open FMD files via File, then Open. Modern FileMaker versions can convert older FMD files to the current FMP12 format during the open operation, preserving all database content. Next, converting to modern format. Open FMD files in current FileMaker Pro, which prompts for conversion to FMP12 format. Save a backup of the original FMD before conversion since the process is one way. The converted FMP12 file gains access to current FileMaker features, cloud sharing, and modern platform integration. Finally, exporting records. Export FMD database records to CSV, Excel, or XML formats using older FileMaker for migration to alternative database platforms. The structured data exports enable importing into modern systems like Microsoft Access SQL Server or web-based databases when seeking different software for ongoing data management. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.